Hello, good morning. This is RJS Roofing, and we are currently in Will Lang's home. We're in 255 Vistoria Drive, Cumming, Georgia. And today we'll be attempting to repair this shingle, as you can see, the one that's marked up. So he's gonna go ahead and start unsealing with the snake tool. As you can see, he just unsealed everything. So go ahead. This is the first row, bottom row, top row. Okay, so he just took out his first nail. So you see a little bit mat breaking, the middle side, a little bit of grain lines, not so much, but you can see a little line forming right here. As you can see, he just took the nail off on this one. You can see a little bit of mat breaking on the top, working his way towards the right side. So you can see that right there. As you can see right here, it's a little bit on the left side, working his way towards the right side. Not so much, but it's a good amount. Okay, so he did strike snake tool in and got a little bit of mat breaking on this left side, working his way towards the middle, as you can see that right there. Not so much on the right side, just a slight bit right here. Okay. As you can see here, got some mat breaking coming from the left side as well, working his way towards the middle. A good amount on the right side. Okay, so he took the nail out right here. As you can see, that was the last nail. So we have a bit of mat breaking going on. So
take the shingle off.
it's gonna go ahead and take the shingle out. So we'll see the results after he starts striking the hammer with the snake tool. As you can see, we already have some mat breaking going on right there. Very slight, but visible.
Very close.
You can see how he strikes that hammer. Got a lot of grain loss.
Start with the next.
Yeah. Okay. You see right there. Yo, bunch of mat breaking going on right there. See that right there? Very visible. Right there. Bunch of mat breaking from the left side, working his way towards the middle. You can see that very visible line across the shingle. Get a little tap on it. You see how that grain loss forming? Okay. Go. See right here as well. It's in the middle. Crease line working its way from the left side towards the middle. Not so much on the right side, just a little bit of grain loss forming. But you can see that. See right here on the top row, the mat breaking on the left side, of course in the middle, towards the right side as well, across the whole shingle. Okay. Right here as well, as you can see the same results forming. Notice how it's not very deep lines forming. It's just a matter of fact how he's striking the snake tool, forming this type of line right here. Okay. Just got a little bit of mat breaking towards the middle. See that right there. Okay, so that was the last nail that we put on. So we're gonna go ahead and count down the ones that were damaged, just trying to repair one shingle. So as you can see, this one, massive breaking going on. So that's one. Top row, not so much up here. This is probably one of the best ones up here. Right here, as you can see that very visible line forming right here. That'll be two. We got another one right here, as you can see that. A lot of mat breaking going on with these shingles. Three. As you can see that right there as well. Four. Also the same results up here. Stopped in the middle. Worked his way towards the right, just slightly bit. But we'll count that as well. We have a massive line right here. As you can see that. And as well as right here, just a slight bit of grain loss. So trying to repair this shingle, one shingle, we had a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 shingles damaged. So I would have to say this repair test has failed.